Today is my first video on YouTube channel, hope will like it. Let's start. So Stan Lee was born on December 28, 1922 in Manhattan, New York City. So you all know Stan Lee, but do you know his real name? Stan Martin Lieber. He divided his name Stan Lee, just so that in the future, when he was writing like on more credible work, no one would know it was him. At the time he thought comics were pretty silly. For the rest of his life, retirement was simply not an option, because he loved his job so much. 95 years old Stan Martin Lieber in 2018, he died on November 12 in Los Angeles, California. Sorry guys, the hair was coming in middle. I was so excited to finish drawing that I don't see in camera at what happening. That's it guys, I hope you liked it, but most important I hope it was useful for you. Then subscribe to my channel, you will get this type of video more. Stay tuned. Video of Thanos on Wednesday.